So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of tasks, and let's say what you want to do is you want to get an overall overview of what is happening with the project. In that case, you can go to the project overview section as well. So to do that, you can go around onto the report right here, and you can see that I have a task. I have a bunch of tasks, and then there's record dates of what is happening. And to view the project overview, you need to go around from the report tab to the dashboards. And over here, you can see the project overview right here. Once you do that, you can see the overall complete percentage, as you can see right here, and you can see other details over here like the late task right here, complete task, and so forth, as you can see. I can go around over here and enable out different records over here as well. For example, the overall percentage complete and the percentage of work complete. There's like other details that you can enable and disable as well as per the requirement right here. You can also go around and expand this and see the actual duration right here, just like this, and duration variance, and then finish stack right here, and so forth, as you can see, just like this. You can also go around and enable out the cost right here, just like this, and so forth, just like this, according to how you want right here. So depending on what data you need, you can enable and disable those out right here, and even filter out the task according to how you like right here. Like for example, camera rent details right here, and so forth. You can go around and filter that out right here. You can go around onto critical task over here as well, and so forth. So you can experiment around with the choosing of different criterias right here, and you can go for the outline level over here as well. So you can go for a level 2 and even level 3 right here, so for just like this, and you can even show the hierarchy right here just like this, so that you get the details that you want. And that is how you can view the project overview of your project in Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.